Hey, is your phone keyboard buzzing every time you type? I know, it can be super annoying, right? Don't worry, I've got a quick and easy way to turn that off. No apps needed. By the way, I'm using a Samsung, but don't worry. This method works for most Android phones out there. So here's what you need to do. Start by opening your phone's settings. Once you're in there, scroll down until you find the option that says Sounds and Vibration. Next, look for a menu called System Vibration. This is where you'll find all the little vibration settings that your phone uses for different things. Now, in that menu, you should see an option for the keyboard. It has a slider next to it. Just tap that slider to turn it off. And that's it. Super simple. You can open up your keyboard and start typing to make sure the vibration is really gone. No more annoying buzz with every key. Easy, right? Now, your thumbs can finally type in peace. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, or share it with someone who's always complaining about that buzzing sound. See you in the next one.